Jai Gurudev to everyone. This is Minakshi, and today I'm taking maths of class 7th, lesson number 4, decimal exercise number 4.2, part 3. So, in this exercise, we are going to see how to perform the multiplication with the decimal number. To multiply the decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. So here it is given when we have to do the multiplication with decimal number by 10, 100, 10,000 and 1000, that time we have to shift the point to the right by as many places as the number of zeros over 1. So first example is 5.765 into 10. So here I told you when we have to multiply 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 by a decimal number, that time we will shift the point to the right, this point to the right by as many as a number of zeros over 1. So here over one number of zeros are given 1. So if number of zeros are 1, so here we will shift this decimal after one digit at the right side. So it will become 57.65. Then next example, 5.765 into 100. So here number of zeros are given 2, so we will shift this decimal or point after two digit at the right, so it will become 576.5. Then 5.765 into 1000. So here the number of zeros are 3, so we will shift this decimal after 3 digit at the right, so it will become 5765.0. So after decimal we have to give right here 0. Then next 5.765 into 10,000. So here number of zeros are given 4, so we will shift this decimal at the right side after 4 digits, but here only 3 digits are given, so we will write the 4th digit as 0, so it will become 57,650.0. This is how we have to perform the multiplication by the decimal number with 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Then next question number 1, find a 0.7 into 7. So here we have to perform the multiplication between two numbers. So solution 0.7 into 7, it will be 4.9. So how we got 4.9 here? So here 7 into 7 will be 49. 49 we will write here 9, carry goes 4. Then 7 into 0 will be 0 and 0 plus 4 will be 4. So here we got 49, and here the decimal is given after one digit and before one digit. So here we will write the decimal after one digit. Then the next question B, 124.6 into 12. So here we have to perform the multiplication between 124.6 into 12. So we will write the solution as 124.6 into 12. So here first we will multiply the 2 with whole decimal number, and then we will multiply the 1 with whole decimal number. So here we will multiply 2. So we get here 2496. So how we got 2496? So here 2 into 6 will be 12. So here we will write 2, carry goes 1. Then 2 into 4 will be 8, and 8 plus 1 will be 9. Then 2 into 2 is 4, and 2 into 1 is 2. Then next multiply with 1. So 1 into 6 will be 6. Then 1 into 4 will be 4. 1 into 2 will be 2 and 1 into 1 will be 1. So here we have to write the cross first and then we have to perform the multiplication. Means we have to write cross at after unit place. Okay, this is the unit place, and after unit place when we are performing the multiplication with 1, that time we have to write here cross, and then we will perform multiplication. That is 1 into 6 will be 6, 1 into 4 will be 4, 1 into 2 will be 2, and then 1 into 1 will be 1. Now perform the addition between these two numbers. So it will become 1495.2. So how we got it? 2 and here given cross. So we will write here 2 as it is. Then 9 plus 6 will be 15. So here we will write 5 and then carry goes 1 as we got 15. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9. Then 2 plus 2 will be 4 and here 1 will be, we will write as it is. Now here check where the decimal is given. So here the decimal is given before one digit. So whatever we got the answer, there we will place the decimal before one digit. So this is how we have to perform the multiplication. Again we will find some examples. So here see, that is 1111.111 into 10. So here we have to perform the multiplication of this decimal number with 10. So 1111.111 into 10. So here first we will perform the multiplication with 0 and then with 1. So here we got 0 into 1 will be 0, 0 into 1 will be 0, 0 into 1 0, then again 0 into 1 will be 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0, and 0 into 1 0. We got 0. Then we will multiply with 1. So here we will write first here cross. As I told you, whatever the first digit is here that given, that is the unit place, below that we will write the cross and then we will multiply with the next digit. And whenever we are performing the multiplication, first multiply with the unit digit and then with the tens. Means ones place perform the first multiplication and then perform the with the tens place, and whatever you will get add them. So here 1 into 1 will be 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 will be 1, then 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, and 1 into 1 is 1. So now perform the addition between them. So here we got 0 and here given cross, so we will write 0 as it is. Then 1 plus 1 will be 1, 1 plus 1, sorry, 0 plus 1 will be 1, 0 plus 1 will be 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 will be 1, then again 0 plus 1 will be 1, and here any digit is not given, only once we will write 1. Now how to place a decimal? So here the decimal is given before 3 digit, so here we will place the decimal before 3 digit. So that is the last 3 digit are 1 1 0, and before that 3 digit we will place the decimal here. Then next example D, 9.009 into 0.09. So here also we have to perform the multiplication between these two decimal numbers. So earlier whatever 3 examples or questions we have seen, there we have performed the multiplication only with one decimal number, but here both decimal numbers are given and now we have to perform the multiplication. So 9.009 into 0.09. So as I told you earlier also, first perform the multiplication with ones place digit, then tens place digit. Okay, but here this is not ones and tens place, this is the 10th place and this is the 100th place. So here we will perform the multiplication first with 100th place, then with 10th place, and then with ones place. Okay, so here we will multiply with 9 first. So here when we are performing the multiplication, we will get 9 into 9 will be 81. So here we will write 1 and here we will give carry as 8. Then 9 into 0 will be 0. Then 0 plus 8 is 8. Then 9 into 0 is 0. Then 9 into 9 is 81. Now we will write here first cross and then we will perform the multiplication with 10th place digit, that is 0. So here we will get 0 into 9 will be 0, then 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0 will be 0 and 0 into 9 will be 0 only. Now we will perform the multiplication with ones place digit, that is 0. So we will get, first we will write here cross and again one more cross we have to write because earlier we have multiplied with first digit then next digit, so we have given the one cross, then after that we have to write the two cross. So here 0 into 9 will be 0, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0 and 0 into 9 is 0. Now we have to perform the addition between them. So here we will write 1 plus cross, that we will write 1, then 8 plus 0 will be 8, then 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be 0, then 1 plus 0 plus 0 will be 1, then 8 plus 0 plus 0 will be 8 and here 0 we will write as it is. Now how to place here decimal? So here the decimal is given before one digit, after one digit and before three digits, and again the number with which we have multiplied, there also decimal is given and there it is given before two digit. So total how many digits are there where the decimal is given before? So 1 2 3 and this is 4 and 5. So total number of digits are 5 and before 5 the decimal number is given. So here we will give the decimal before 5 digits, so that is 8108 and 1. So total number of digits are here 5 and we will place the decimal before 5 digits. So here we got 0.81081. This is how we have to perform the multiplication. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand this video very well. So if you like my teaching, please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you so much.